What's going on, guys? MrNoobsock here, and I'm bringing you guys a different kind of video today, and it's going to be about white noise. Me and my friends, Captain 12-inch and Shabada Games, decided to play some white noise because I just now got the game, and Shabada wanted me to play it. But the funny thing is, he gets super scared easily, and I decided to record it while we were playing, and there's a lot of funny reactions from Shabada. It actually took a lot of convincing to get him to play this game because he gets scared easily. And I don't really get scared that easily, but I decided to make a little montage of the funny moments that we had in this game. So I hope you guys enjoy, and peace out.
Well, actually, what if you look behind you and then...
Okay, oh god, please, oh god, okay, we're playing, alright.
Yeah, we're playing, oh my god.
Oh my god, the white noise better be someone ordering KFC, that was a total messed up joke, okay. How do you guys...
Find all the...
Okay, why am I staring at a wall? Why am I staring at a wall? Where are you guys?
Oh, I'm right here, dude, I'm right
here. Oh god! Oh, okay.
Why is my guy taller than yours? My guy's like much
more. Why is... Oh god, skeleton! Okay! You have... Okay.
Can I change my
Why
sensitivity?
do you look like...
Holy Jesus.
This is a new level. I never played this.
You look like Velma from Scooby-Doo.
How you doing there?
Guys,
my flashlight's
please turn around. What the fuck where the fuck are we? Stop it! This is not SOL! Oh god! He's doing the moonwalk. Look, he's doing the moonwalk. Wait.
How do I walk faster? How do I run? Oh, it's...
Yeah, I clicked the left trigger.
Why is my screen
I want to stay with you guys.
Wait. Stop for a second and listen to that.
You know what?
It's like someone's whispering.
Just keep going. Pretend like nothing
There's a
happened.
blue door.
Okay, why is there a door?
It's a... Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Why do you say... Oh god, what the fuck is that?
What is that?
Why is my screen taken up? Why the fuck is my screen? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on?
I'm moving closer, I'm moving closer. Oh god, it's vibrating.
Hey.
What is that?
If you keep looking at that, you're gonna die. So
that's an alien artifact, I think.
I have a headache. I have a fucking headache. Why? Stop it, Velma. I'm in front of the fucking line.
What the hell?
Girl, get it on with me.
Ow, the light burns.
He sounds like he's in that room.
Let's go in this room. So we're supposed to find tapes without dying.
Why would we go? Oh fucking! Oh my god! Get the fuck out of here!
Holy fucking hell!
What the fuck was that?
Don't keep on running.
What the fuck was that?
Tried so hard and got so far.
The motherfucker just popped right in front of me.
In the
I didn't
end,
know that you could scream that loud.
it doesn't even matter.
Oh god. Ignore it.
Actually,
I think I heard it. I think you heard it.
You guys.
There should be someone looking back at all times. I'll be looking back. Okay.
Alright, I'll be looking this way.
Stop! Turn around, Velma! I don't want to look over your shoulder and see some fucking monster! Get the fuck! Turn around!
You know what? Never mind.
Turn the fuck around, please! Thank you. I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, you can go. Oh, whoa! Whoa, what's that? Oh, is that you as a ghost?
Oh, fucking hell! Who the fuck is that? Why is he
I think that's him as a ghost.
Alright, I'd like to inform you guys that I'm here to
Casper?
hunt you after you guys killed me.
Please
so...
be like Casper. Come on, Casper.
No.
Come on.
I'm gonna... Yeah, guys, follow me. I'll be your death. Just follow me.
Alright, Shabda, let's go this way. I hear something.
Guys, Casper.
There's a recorder
Oh,
right
here
there.
it is. Let me pick it up.
No, don't pick it up. You pick it
Yeah,
up.
pick it up.
How do I get it? Oh, I got it.
What the fuck does
Good
that mean?
job.
Why are you laughing? Okay, please! Let me take off my headphones! I'm gonna look over to my left.
Alright, good luck.
Why are you saying good luck?
Oh, he's gone now, never mind.
Okay, I'm
Alright, let's go to the next one. I bet
Oh, fucking hell! No!
I timed that just right. I timed that just right.
Oh my god!
Wow, really? Really?
Muffin, I timed that just right.
Really?
Oh, there goes Velma.
Hey,
Oh god, oh god, we got a little something going on.
Okay, okay. Next turn on your left, please.
We got a little something going on over there.
Oh god, dude, he's over there too!
Oh my god.
How many of them are there?
This is a nightmare, alright.
Guys, are you all following me?
Yeah, I'm following you. Is everyone following me? Your guy looks so creepy.
Guys, we have to find the cabin and get the gun and shoot him in the face.
Protect me, Liam Neeson.
Wait, you can get a gun?
Yeah, it's a muffin gun. It shoots muffins.
Dude, sweet. Alright, well, we're gonna find the other one.
We are.
Why is it every time I blink, my flashlight blinks? It's like Kinect sensor.
Holy crap, he's like 2 centimeters away from you.
Oh god! Please get him away!
Oh yeah,
Please get him away!
he is. Okay, Shabby, I'm leaving you, I'm leaving you.
I'm not even, no, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't
You're
leave
in
me,
the
don't
back,
leave me,
you're in
don't
the
leave me,
back
don't
now.
leave me,
Shabby.
Hey, cherry face!
Do not look to the right.
Oh fuck! He grabbed my face! He grabbed my face! Oh shit!
Oh my
What's
god,
going on? What the fuck is going on?
He's right behind us,
Shabby.
dude.
Wait, listen. Noobsock, listen.
Oh,